Well, there we are. Got it on and it doesn't fall over. So I'm quite chuffed with that. The only thing I've got to do now is make sure that it is equidistant between the front and the back. Now I'm not taking it off this edge, I'm taking it off the edge of the upright along the side. That was 9.5, and I can see that that one is not 9.5, and that one is 9.5 too, and I know that one ain't going to be. So let me just measure what we have got, and I can work out how much. So we've got 8.5, so we got ½ inch, so we've got 9 inches. So we've got to come this way 9 inches, to about ½ inch. And then that's 9. That's 9. Lovely. That's 9. So that's going to be 9. Okay. So we'll just do a general mark because sort of like 1/16 of an inch either way, as long as it's a 1/16 on both sides, it doesn't matter. Okay, so now, how are we going, if I knock everything off, how are we going to fix them in place? Because I bet you any money that middle one is right where I put the cross member. So that's 12 and 5/8. So where does 12 and 5/8 come? Look at that. It's there. So what am I going to do there? Right. I'm deliberately leaving you running so that you can follow my pitfalls as well. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my box of screws on the table at that end, because we know that's 4 kilograms. Well, it is now. Right. Yeah, it's literally right on that edge, so I can only effectively do a fixing here. Right. Now it depends on whether I've got bolts long enough. And what I'm thinking, if I drill a clearance hole here and in a piece of timber, so I can fix a bolt in, but in this part, in the base timber, I drill a tight hole for the bolt. Then I can use that as a locating peg. Clearance holes here, I can use it then like a clamp this end, but this back end won't be able to move because of the pin. So that's what I'm going to do. It's going to take me a while to organise that, but this should be a long enough video anyway, so I can put that up. So I might even have a look and see if I've got some metal that I can do it with. If I can find a decent piece of metal that I can do it with, then I'll use metal. Otherwise, I'm going to be using some more MDF. Alright people, well, there you are. What I'll do, I'll take the box of screws off and I'll bring you down so you can have a look at it in position with the gantry locked on. Right, pardon me. Okay, right, let's get you down and you can have a look. Yeah. Right, now then, let's take you out. Okay. Right, as you can see, I've done it so that there's no way that can rock backwards and forwards. Right, and the same on this side. That whole thing is quite sturdy. And once I've bolted everything in, then it shouldn't be a problem at all. So there you have it, my friends. Lock it in place using the metal, hopefully, because that's going to be easier for me. If not, I'll have to use bits of MDF. I don't mind. The tarty bits, like the housing for the cable to run along, I can do all that later on. Getting the thing working is the object of the exercise at the minute. Okay then, well, I'll let you go now and I'll get the next bit ready to show you. Bye for now.